are going through My Pace by Stray Kids because we just went through in our Arizona Kpop Dance Workshop.
Ready? Let's go.
As you can see, it was a lot of fun, except the fact that since it's a Stray Kids song, we had a lot of jumping in the choreography, but it's also a good workout and such a fun move to dance. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial for the first chorus of My Pace, and at the end of this video we're gonna go through with the actual music, so hopefully you guys can join me as well. Before we start, I would like to announce to you guys that we have in-person Kpop Dance Workshop in Arizona every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 to 9 p.m. This opens for any levels and ages, so whoever loves K-pop dancing, please feel free to join us. We also offer free live workshops on our Facebook group called the Arizona Kpop Dance Workshop, and that opens for anyone in the world, so feel free to join us. Alright, without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first we're gonna start slightly facing to the right, and we're gonna start with a jump and down. Good. I want you guys to jump on 8, and on 1, land on the mat. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Good. Make sure cross your arms in front of your chest, and when you land, you can just drop your arms on your knees. And next, we're gonna step and face forward. Good. Just take your right leg forward and hands in front of your chest as well. Next, we're gonna again step left by moving your right leg, and the hands go all the way back. Good. So from here to forward and circles and back. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now after this, we're gonna jump again. Jump. And then land on your left leg so that you can swing and kick your right knee down and step forward. Good. After this, you're just gonna jump, swing, step forward. Your arms, keep extending your left arm and put your right hand on top of your forehead. Jump, kick, and front. When you step forward, cross your left arm in front of the chest so that you can push back and lean forward. Now, push back, just touch your left shoulder, and we're gonna step 2 steps forward. Right, left, and then swing, open, turn around, face front. Good. Just so you know that in our workshop, we usually follow any idols who's dancing in the center, so we not specifically follow one person, but we always follow anyone who's dancing in the center. So we're gonna switch to the idols who's dancing next scene, but just so you know. Okay, so let's do from the very beginning, jumping part. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now after this, we're gonna lean forward, backwards, and step, kick, jump open, and turn around. Good. When you turn around, you're gonna turn around on your right shoulder while lean on your left leg. Spin it and face front. Good. Now after this, we're gonna switch to another idol, and what we're gonna do is step, walk. Good. So first, extend the right arm, your palm facing down. 1, and now flip up, 2, and down and up. So basically, it's just gonna be down, up, Good. Your legs, first 2 steps, you're gonna lean on the right leg. Right, left, and then just walk. The last one, imagine that there's someone you care is in front of you, and you try to reach out to that person. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're gonna go circle, dub. Woo, here we go. After you try to reach out someone, now you're just gonna circle, and dub. Extend your right arm and down. Good. So that you can pull and step forward. Yeah. And then in the lyrics, they're gonna say boom boom. So take your left arm and do boom boom. Now you're gonna pull. Take your right elbow to the right and pull your face. Good. And then wow. Yes. Take your left knee up and then punch down. Wow. And then last thing, just gonna go wave down, jump. Good. This move, your legs knee in and heel in and down. It's like Dynamite by BTS. Just kick, down, jump. Good. While your left arm is gonna make wave. Down, up, down. Down, up, down. Here we go. Down, up, down. At the same time, down, up, down, jump. Good. Now we're halfway through. Let's do from the very beginning with the counts. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, jump, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump, 7, 8, and 1, 2, step, step, kick, open, turn around, and 1, 2, 3, 4, circle, tap, step forward, boom, boom, pull, wow, wave, and jump. Good. Alright, in the count, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Good. Now after this, we're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good. After jump, as soon as you jump and land, you're gonna open your toes and let's do from the legs. It's called a crab step. Left and right and left and right. So basically, first you open your toes, right? Now you're gonna step left and then take your right toes down and left heel down. Now you're gonna step to the right, you're gonna twist it and then take your right heel down and left toe down so that you can open. Yes. Close, open, close, open. You got it? Close, open. So if it's too difficult, I think it's fine. Just move like this. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. If you can, again, it's like, I don't know what it's called. It's called a crab step, like crab, yeah? So toes, heels, and heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, like this. You can find out on YouTube videos that's specifically explaining for this crab step. But yeah, so once you jump and land, you're gonna slash, make a gum pose with your hands, slash with your right arm, and then step to the right and then slash with your right arm. Now step to the left and then take your right arm up, and then step to the right and take your left arm up. Good. So left, right, left, right. And then what we're gonna do is step, step, step in, out. Good. So after this, we're gonna go right, left, right, left, right. Good. Your legs just gonna be right, left, left. Good. Right, left, right, right. Good. So again, your legs is gonna be right, left, left. While your arms, after this, you're gonna gradually extend, and then when you switch to the right leg, you're gonna go bend your right elbow, and then left elbow, extend. Good. Left, right, step, step, step in, out. Good. Now after this, we're gonna step back, cross, shoulders, clap, and hands on your hip, and then take your left leg up. In a count, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now we're just gonna wait until 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and on 5, 6, just gonna make circles. Hands next to your ears, just a circle, and throw it. Good. Circle, throw, and lean forward. Good. So then we're gonna go formation change. You can move wherever you want. Just gonna step, and then open. Good. When you open, all you're gonna do last thing is just gonna lean to the left, lean to the right, face left. Good. This is it. The second half is gonna be a little bit easier than the first half. So after this, we're gonna touch the knees. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and wait. 2, 3, circle. 5, 6, throw, down, step, up. 5, 6, lean to the right. Good. Okay, so let's do from here with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, wait. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Alright, let's put whole choreography together and we're gonna try with the music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, jump and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, circle, up, pull, and boom, boom, pull. Wow. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's try with the music. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, jump around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, wait. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, no. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, thank you guys so much for dancing with me. I hope this tutorial will help you to get this choreography. I know it's kind of fast and a lot of energy, but once you get it, it's gonna be a lot of fun. So good luck guys, and please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe my channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Ready? Let's go. Ready? Let's go. Ready? Let's go.
Yeah! Woo!
Ready? Let's go.